Good afternoon, I'm Danielle, and I'm over at Environmental Charter Middle School right now, just watering, doing a little bit of summer maintenance for our school garden.
And what do you have? It looks like you have a hose there, but tell us, is that any water or what is that?
This is not just any water. This is part of our aquaponics system, which is such a treat to be able to have a sustainable system like this. So it is hooked up to our pond filter, and it's pumping water, which also is pumping nutrients to feed our plants. So we are feeding them, and then we also have a tower garden that is being pumped nutrients with the same pond, the same system, and then it feeds the plants. They take what they need and it circulates back into the pond, and we have this beautiful circle.
Great. Okay, great. We're going to take a look at that aquaponics system. So here it is. This is the actual system. So this is water that's being pumped out of the fish pond, and it's going into the system. Actually, we're doing maintenance on it. You can see the the other missing parts there. This is what we use for kind of a solids filter at the very top of it. And water comes in from the pond over here, goes into this Awasi Filter Clear 4000 fish. It's a fish food filter, takes out the solids, and then that's what Danielle is. That's what she's watering with way down there. She's watering with fish, nutrient-rich fish water, and so we have it on right there. Yeah, and then it's we're just doing a little bit of maintenance on it, but this is how we roll. We did disturb the bottom of the pond, so it actually did do a little bit of disruption to clean water, but it was crystal clear when we got here. You can see little fishies there. I think there's some fish food. So, okay, well anyway, thanks for joining. Mike with the Barberscape LA signing off. Take care.